Hey guys, this was the first time that I made microwave lasagna. Let me tell you, it tasted so good. So I'm getting ready with my Parmesan cheese, got ready with mozzarella. Now in a bowl, add ricotta cheese, spinach, Parmesan cheese. I added mozzarella, black pepper is optional, salt, parsley. Mix well. Now we'll start preparing our lasagna. In a microwave dish, add marinara sauce in the bottom. No boil lasagna noodles. Add the ricotta mixture. Mozzarella cheese. Repeat the process. I'm going to do 2 layers. If you want to do 3 layers, that's up to you. And here is microwave lasagna. Let's do the taste test. Guys, it tasted really good. Try it for yourself. Thanks, guys.